Hi, I am Dr. Shwams. I will tell you all how to be safe from coronavirus. Always wear gloves and masks. Frequently wash your hands or sanitize your hand. Avoid going out. Stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Bhavna S. From 6th. I am going to read a acrobatic poem. In my dictionary, doctor stands for D. Defying all odds is my doctor. O. Optimistic, energetic, full of vigor. C. Caring, sharing is my doctor. T. Talking, laughing, all too chill. O. Obliged always to help the ill. R. Radiator, reactor and redeemer. Thank you.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं,
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं,
लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी
अब हमारे हाथ में।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं।
हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
Good morning. I am here Naila Shumesa from 6A. I am going to tell how to control the COVID-19. Protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking approximate precautions. Follow the advice provided by the local health authority. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hands and wash your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol based on hand rub. Maintain the safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when a physically distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth or face. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough or in difficulty in breathing, seek a medical attention. Call to the hospital. Mask can help you to prevent the spread of the viruses from the person wearing a mask to others. Masks alone do not protect against the COVID-19. We should be combined with the physical distancing and hygiene from the advice provided by your local authority. Where you were by the measuring the COVID-19 protocols. Wash your hands neatly, wear your mask properly, maintain distance, don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth or face. If you are ill, stay home. When you cough or sneeze, hospital or in breathing problems. Use your mask every time. Stay home, stay safe, follow the measuring steps of COVID-19. Thank you.
A very good morning to all my friends and teachers. Myself, Vinesh D of 7th A. There is a popular proverb, health is wealth. Health is probably the most valuable asset that one can have, because every other asset is useless if you don't have health. There is only one profession which lets us give the gift of life to someone else. That is medicine. A doctor's profession is one of the oldest in the world, and in my opinion, it is the most noble profession. That's why doctors need to take an oath before taking up the profession. If I become a doctor, I will be able to gift health to people, which is the greatest gift one can give. We have seen the important role played by the doctors during the coronavirus pandemic. They work day and night, ignoring their own families to save lives. That's why patients often compare their doctors to gods. This increased my respect for this profession and made me even more determined to become a doctor. Our country still has a lot of poverty, and there are who can't afford the health care. When I become a doctor, I wish to spend a part of my time to serve the poor and unprivileged people without taking any money. The satisfaction of saving lives and improving people's health will be a great reward in itself. Thank you.
Everyone, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in second class A section. Good evening, doctor. Good evening. What happened? I have some cold and cough. Okay. Okay. Breathe heavily. Turn back side.
How many temperature is doctor?
99.8.